Now considering another circuit diagram, here there are three batteries, 2 volt, 1 volt and 4 volt, and there are three resistances, 4 ohm, 3 ohm and 2 ohm are connected. Let's assume that if I current flows from here and I1 goes there, so I minus I1, which is equal to I2, goes in this circuit. So here we know that I is equal to I1 plus I2 according to the junction rule, obviously. Now we'll name it A, B, C, D, E, F. Let's talk about the loop A, B, E, F, A. Loop A, B, E, F and A. There are two batteries and two resistances. First we'll talk about resistances, the product of I and R. So that is 3 into I1, 2 into I, 2 into I. Now if we assume the direction to be clockwise, so if we talk about 3 ohm, it is towards right and the upper portion of the current also represents right, so it is positive. नीचे की तरफ the current is obviously in this direction, so current is in this direction, this is also in this direction, so it is also positive. Equals to, there are two batteries, 4 volt and 1 volt, so we'll write 4 and 1. Now for 4, the direction is towards left. Left means negative to positive. Negative to positive is to be considered as positive, so 4 volt is taken to be positive. Now for the upper battery, the upper circuit, the upper assumption will be taken towards right. Towards right is positive to negative. Positive to negative is minus, so we'll subtract it. So 3I1 plus 2I is equal to 3. And we can easily know that I is equal to I1 plus I2. We can also use this. I is equal to I1 plus I2. So 3I1 plus 2I1 plus 2I2 equals to 3. So 3I1 plus 2I1 is 5I1. So 5I1 plus 2I2 equals to 3. We can use this equation also and we can use this equation also. Let's talk about the other loop. I can take A, C, D, F, A and B, C, D, E, B. Either of the two I can take. So let's taking the loop A, say B, C, D, E, B. B, C, D, E, B. Now there are two resistances. So that means 4 into I2. The current through 4 ohm is I2 and through 3 is I1 and 3 I1. Now if we take the current in the clockwise direction, so it is towards right and the current is also in this direction, so it will be plus. For 3 I1, the direction is towards left, which we have assumed, and the current flowing is in this arm is right, towards right. So basically it is opposite direction, so we'll take minus. Is equal to, there are two batteries, 2 and 1. 2 and 1. So the 2, it is towards right, from positive to negative it has to be negative. And in this direction it is towards left, that means negative to positive. Negative to positive is positive. So minus 2 plus 1. So 4I2 minus 3I1 equals to minus 1. So by solving these two equations, we'll get I1 and I2, and whatever is asked we can easily respond. So this is the Kirchhoff rule and how it is applied in the circuit diagrams. You have to practice these questions, take your reference book into consideration and solve as many numericals as you can